Eon Software proudly presents View 6 Infinite, the most advanced solution for creating, animating, and rendering natural 3D environments for film and broadcast, architecture, illustration, and matte painting. View 6 Infinite's interface is clear and intuitive. The Camera Control Center provides instant render preview. The World Browser lets you efficiently organize all your objects, materials, ecosystems, imported meshes, and bitmaps. And in the Properties panel, you can access each object's materials, transforms, and animation parameters. Use the visual browsers to easily access library items such as plants and atmospheres. Get precise control over your animations with the redesigned Timeline Editor, where you can freely adjust keyframes and time curves. View 6 Infinite streamlines production workflow and increases efficiency. Create any type of terrain with View 6 advanced terrain features. Interactively carve and shape terrains with tablet-compatible brushes. Add realistic geological erosion effects with a single click. And use custom brush shapes to add specific features such as footsteps. View also lets you create infinitely detailed terrains using elaborate procedural functions. Add realistic vegetation with Eon's unequaled solid growth technology. Each plant of the same species will be uniquely different. Use the Plant Editor to modify any plant preset. Edit any part of the plant, from trunk to branches to leaves, and when you're done modifying your plant, you can save it as a new species and use it just like any other solid growth plant. You can also get a variety of new plants at Cornucopia 3D. Solid growth plants can be easily and naturally animated. Apply per plant wind effects with the interactive wind arrow. Or use the global breeze to affect the entire scene. With the new ventilators, you can create localized wind effects. You can even use the Plant Editor to animate growth or decay. View 6 Infinite extends Eon's revolutionary ecosystem technology even further. Ecosystems let you instantly cover any surface with millions of plants, rocks, and other objects. Quickly create forests and jungles, ground cover, rock and pebble beds, or sprawling cities. With Generation 2, you can interactively paint ecosystems, either in single mode or in brush mode. Using different brush settings, you can easily add anything from small patches of flowers to dense forests. Quickly erase specific areas with the eraser brush, or modify the colors with the color brush. Creating lush 3D scenery has never been so fast. Of course, wind and breeze animation can be applied to entire ecosystems, no matter how dense. You can even populate ecosystems with pre-animated meshes. View 6 Infinite includes a state-of-the-art atmosphere engine that offers no less than 4 different atmospheric models: standard, volumetric, image-based, and the new hyper-realistic spectral model. Choose from a wide selection of atmospheres or create your own custom presets. Atmospheres in View dramatically affect the character and mood of a scene. Like all natural elements in View, atmospheres can be fully animated. Easily animate clouds by choosing wind direction and speed. Animate everything from sun position to fog and haze, and produce spectacular time-lapse and changing weather animations quickly and efficiently. View 6 Infinite is the ideal application for creating breathtaking flyover and drive-through animations. Fly over highly detailed terrains, through volumetric clouds, or over ecosystem cities. Create realistic motion with the unique Motion Designer. Choose a motion type such as pedestrian or airplane. Plot a path, and View will automatically add secondary motion. Of course, you can manually animate everything using all traditional tools. Use animated functions to create realistic 3D ocean waves or produce special effects by animating materials. View provides high-end lighting for both outdoor and indoor scenes. Multi-shape area lights with high-quality soft shadows, global illumination, ambient occlusion, radiosity, image-based lighting, and illumination baking for fast rendering of animations. Create your own lens flares. Add volumetric effects and light gels, and graphically control light decay and colors. View 6 Infinite offers truly advanced shader technologies, large amplitude displacement, accurate subsurface scattering, volumetric materials, and hypertextures. Quickly create bitmap textures with the basic editor or delve into one of the most sophisticated procedural editors on the market. View 6 lets you layer any number of materials, and each layer can be independently controlled by altitude, slope, and orientation, allowing you to produce complex materials for natural scenery. View 6 Infinite provides all the tools you'll need to integrate into your pipeline. Multipass rendering lets you separate any render element from shadow or atmosphere gain to Z-depth or object ID. Multipass renders can be automatically exported to Photoshop for efficient compositing, and special plugins let you import camera motion from any major 3D software and precisely match view scenes to external footage. And for the ultimate integration, get View 6 Extreme. Use all the power of View directly inside your favorite application. View 6 Extreme virtually eliminates the need for any import, export, or compositing.